In this video, I'll show you how to play music on Deezer via Bluetooth. If you're trying to play music from your Deezer's platform to another device such as speakers, headphones, or even maybe car stereos, you can easily connect them through Bluetooth. So to do that, just open up the Bluetooth on your phone, whether you're using an Android or an iOS. Just turn on Bluetooth and head over to the settings inside of Bluetooth. Once you do, you're going to see all of the devices that you may have previously paired. If you have a device that you have not yet paired, you can just refresh the Bluetooth and you'll be able to see the available pairs in this section. Just tap on the device, maybe a speaker that you're trying to pair. Make sure that the Bluetooth is on for that speaker as well, so that both of the devices can pair. Once you make sure the Bluetooth is turned on both devices, you can just tap on the name of the device and easily pair or connect your devices. Once the connection has been made, and once you tap on any particular song, the song will start to play on that device, whether you connect it to a speaker, headphone, or a car stereo. So that's how easily you play music on Deezer via Bluetooth. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. I'm going to see you in the next one.